Hello, beautiful
Everyone
lovely
tells
people.
me not to get
Shout out yung mga fans ko, guys. Ito yung mga fans ko.
more worried about stocks and money. I'm so attached to
Excuses. It takes courage to lose them. Your predictability is not consistency. Don't confuse them. Your choice.
Let me raise a toast to the girl of the most in the whole world.
Please don't tell my name. Please don't tell my name.
Keisha.
They make more than the noises. Every decision that you make is mapping out your fate. Can't avoid it.
Hey guys, so andito kami ngayon sa birthday yan. And nagpapa-shoutout sila. Say hi. Shoutout daw sa inyo.
Gusto mo naman kami makasama sa video mo eh.
Nawawala po.
Shout out po kay Sir Rapi Tulpo.
Shoutout yung mga fans ko, guys. Ito yung mga fans ko. Fans, say hi. Hi.
What is this?
Paano
Shoutout ko kay Geliee. Bumagsak siya sa Pilipinas. Ay, nagka-klase siya sa Pilipinas.
Sa pinakamaliit po.
Yeah, may klase rin.
Vlog yan.
Tawag po doon, cutting.
Vlog yan.
Tao po. Ay,
Definition of term.
Yeah, hey guys.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. Hi. Hi. Chapter 1 muna, sabay chapter 2.
Siya si birthday girl. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Charot. Happy birthday. Thank you. Bakit ko na? Hindi kayo. Hello guys. So today, wait lang. Hello. Today is wait lang. October 13, 2021, and it's 9:57 a.m. and later on I'll be having a meeting the advance for the 2021 to 2022 election. Tatakbo din ako, guys. So iboto niyo na ako. Charot. And by the way pala, please don't forget to register to vote para makaboto kayo ng gusto nyong tao, because your vote is important. So please register to vote, guys. Kung gusto nyong umunlad ang Pilipinas, mag-register na kayo. That's all. I'm so nervous actually. I don't know. We have this debate and I'm really so nervous right now. I don't know what to say.
Alright, this is a song that I wrote about falling too fast.
First time ilalabas
But I
sa
wouldn't
vlog
know
ni
anything about
Pierre
that.
ko. Hi! Debut lang Pierre ko sa vlog ni
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answer. I've been on my phone 6:30. Can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do I tell them?
Ganda yung identity. Game na.
I don't wanna lose my grounding, so you catch me not responding. And I press my lips together so you don't find any answers. I've been on my phone 6:30. Can't be texting you this early, 'cause I fall too fast and lose myself, and I want this to last. My friends, they see the patterns. I say it's different, but it's only faster. How do
Ah, di ba? Sarap. Gusto mo, di ba? Sarap.
Wala kang nakakatanggal ng girl. Wala pang girl na.
November.
Akala ko October.
Tingnan.
Di ba sabi niya yung urong pai? Let's go.
Previously, on you, your old phone, which I have, is still logged into the cloud. And that means I am still logged into you. Your father was never consistent, and you're still healing from that. With my help.
Look how delicious it is.
Work. I'll fold the laundry.
I do love
That's right, I protect
marshmallows.
laundry. I protect you inside. I let you focus on your work. And guess what? Now that I've made our morning sacred, you're
And wait, sorry, hindi ko siya mafu-full kasi baka maglagaw kasi naka-open yung camera ko. Is that okay?
Okay lang po. Of course. Why is it not going to be okay, Jelly? You cannot inaway.
So, hello, beautiful, lovely people! And bye.
Hello guys, so I actually just take a power nap because I'm supposed to be studying, but I decided to take a power nap because my brain is not functioning well, and if my brain is not functioning well, I'm not going to get all the readings that I'm reading. Hindi ko rin siya magigets, hindi rin siya papasok sa brain ko. So, might as well sleep or either just walk. That's the things that I most do whenever I feel tired or exhausted or mentally tired. And basically, when you're mentally tired, you are going to be physically tired as well. So, you don't have the energy to move. Like, you don't have energy to do the things that you must do because you're tired. So, now, I just take a nap so that I can focus kahit papano. Kasi right now, I haven't yet read our paper. And we are going to have a mock defense later on. And I am gonna read it already. So that. And I'm the one who in charge to do the PPT pala. So I really need to. Jeez, this is 30 pages. Okay. Anyway, so that's right. I just want to say that you guys should take a rest. If you need to, please guys, mental health, your health or physical or anything that is related to health, is more important, okay? So that's all. You guys take a rest if kailangan nyo na talaga. Ayan. That's it. Okay, do not stop. Do not stop driving, grinding. It's okay to be tired. It's okay when you feel tired. You just need to take a rest. That's all. Bye.
Excuses, it takes courage to lose them. Your predictability is not consistency, don't confuse them. Your choices,